If the previous lesson was overwhelming for you, don't worry. I hope this one is going to be much easier because in this lesson I will show you the whole chart. And if you see the whole picture, I think it's going to sound much more simpler than before. Now, what we have shown you so far, what I have shown you so far is the active voice. I have shown you allama, yu'allimu ta'liman, mu'allimun. Fahuwa means so he is, and this is not really part of the chart. It is just there to make a rhyme, so you can easily memorize the chart. So memorize this again with me. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. He taught, he teaches, teaching, so he is a teacher. Again, fahuwa is not part of the chart, but it is there to make a rhyme, so you can easily memorize. That was the active version. Now, just like the active version, we can even make the passive version out of this. And the passive versions are ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. They sound same, but they are not, and I will show you in a minute. Before that, I want to show you the command and forbidding form as well. Just like we have made the active, we have made the passive, we can also make the command and forbidding. Allim means teach, la tu'allim means don't teach, and mu'allamun means time or place where teaching happens. Now let me show you the whole chart so it makes much more sense to you. What we have learned so far: allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. That we have learned from the previous lesson. But in this lesson, we learned also the passive voice. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. So the active version was allama, passive version is ullima. Active was yu'allimu, passive is yu'allamu. Ta'liman is an idea, so it stays same in both active and passive. Fahuwa is not part of the chart, so it stays here. Mu'allimun means teacher. The passive version is mu'allamun, means one who is being taught. Again, mu'allamun. Mu'allimun means teacher. Mu'allamun means one who is being taught. We can also make the command and forbidding. Allim means teach. La tu'allim means don't teach, and mu'allamun means time or place where teaching happens. Now this mu'allamun and this mu'allamun, they are same. You can see mu'allamun, they are the same word, but sometimes it means one who is being taught, sometimes it means the time when it's happening or the place where it's happening. So they can be both. Okay, so this was the whole chart, and this is the chart really you have to memorize from the bottom of your heart. So we're going to do it right now, and you repeat after me. Okay, I will say it and you will repeat it after me. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allamun. Allim la tu'allim mu'allamun. Allim la tu'allim mu'allamun. I want you to do this at least 10 times, and hopefully it will be memorized by then. If you need more time, no problem, take time and memorize this whole chart. You don't have to memorize the chart for every other words, just this one chart for one word, allama. If you can memorize it, any other word I give you that rhymes with allama, you can make the whole chart for that word, or any other word that rhymes with allama. Okay, now let us see some examples of other words that rhymes with allama. kaffara. Kaffara means he disbelieved, and it rhymes with allama, meaning it is part of the allama family. So let's see. Kaffara yukaffiru takfiran fahuwa mukaffirun. Again, you have to try this chart with kaffara only if you have memorized the chart with allama. Otherwise, if you try kaffara, then you will be confused. You will be overwhelmed. So, your first task is to do this chart with just allama. Once you can do that, then try kaffara, and that should be easier for you. Kaffara yukaffiru takfiran fahuwa mukaffirun. Kuffira yukaffaru takfiran fahuwa mukaffarun. Kaffir la tukaffir mukaffarun. Similarly, we can try another word, farraqa, and you can go through the whole chart. I'm not going to bother you in this video. The video will get really long, but I want you to memorize the chart with allama first, and then for practice, you can see the other words that are shown in the video or in the lesson. And finally, there are two other words I have left in the lesson for you to do alone, Hassana and Dallala. I want you to do the whole chart for Hassana and Dallala. Once you are done with that, just like in the other lessons, I have shown you how to make the whole past tense chart, how to make the whole present tense chart, how to make the Muslim chart. I want you to make those charts as well for Hassana and Dallala.